teaching staff, and I see great amount of labor put in by teaching staff, non-teaching staffs, and most importantly, the students' community. I am again delighted to be a part of the celebration of 69th Republican Day of India on 26th January 1950. Our Constitution came into force. We are not permitted to lose sight of the fact that our great leaders, hundreds and thousands of freedom fighters, fought from the dint of their heart. Many freedom fighters laid down their lives to see that this country gets free from the clutches of British rule. After so many great deal of trouble, toil put in by our great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and so many people, so many great leaders, we are breathing in the independent India. I thought that when I was called upon to say a few words on the 69th Republican Day, I would also like to share the thoughts that this should not merely a formality for the commemoration of this 69th Republican Day of India, but each and every citizen of this country, and particularly students' community, teaching staff also, they should see to it that the students get a sense of patriotism, that how can we contribute towards the stronger and greater India. If we just celebrate, go to home and forget, I don't think the real purpose will be achieved. The real purpose of this independent India shall be achieved if a teaching community try to see that some important points of patriotism is driven home to a student's community. Everywhere, there is a celebration, people celebrate and go there. But this sense should be driven home in the students' community, that what is the value of an independent country. मेरे को कोई बड़े आदमी ने बोला है, शब्द याद आता है, एक वर्ड्स याद आ रहा है कि डेमोक्रेसी में प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, अभी भी हमें प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन सबसे अच्छी मोनार्ची जो राजाशाही होती है उससे अच्छी डेमोक्रेसी होती है, चाहे गमे इतने प्रॉब्लम हो. वी फेस द प्रॉब्लम, वी हैव ए प्रॉब्लम, बट we shall see to it in a larger perspective. There are many countries in the world where they face too many problems. Here in India, we have an independent judiciary. We can file a suit, or we can sue against anybody, any person. However, there are problems, there are chances, there are circumstances that we feel let down, that what is happened, we feel discouraged. But at the end of the day, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. This is what my sincere belief is. The Constitution of India, जो बोलते हैं ना संविधान इंडिया का, बहुत मेहनत के बाद उसको बनाया गया है ग्रेट लीडरों ने देश के। ये संविधान एक बड़ा पायस डॉक्यूमेंट है। पायस डॉक्यूमेंट ऐसे कि इसमें हर चीज लिखी हुई है कि देश कैसे गवर्न होगा। The administration of the state, administration of the government shall be run in a manner. It is everything has been written in black and white in the Constitution. On 29th January 1930, to the best of my knowledge, the Congress resolved 1930 में कि हमें अंग्रेजों को भगाना और देश को आज़ाद करना है, और उसके लिए उन्होंने नारा दिया था कि हमें इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंट चाहिए। तो इस याद में दी country was independent from the clutches of British rule in the 1947, 15th August 1947. But our pious constitution came into effect on 26th January 1950, and for this every year we celebrate 26th January 1950 as our Republican Day. I am reminded of some incidents I have read somewhere that in one country the workers raised some resentment against the management of the company, against the government. They were in the business of shoe production. They decided to went on a strike. What they thought, that we should not, by doing strike or by resorting to strike, we should not hamper the future of the country. So they, during the course of the strike, they went on making one shoe. एक ही शूज बनाने का चालू किया कि जहां तक स्ट्राइक खत्म नहीं होती वहां तक एक शू बनाओ। जब भी स्ट्राइक खत्म हो जाएगी हम दूसरा शू बनाने का चालू कर देंगे, तो लॉस नहीं होगा कंट्री को। ये पैट्रियोटिज्म का सेंस होना चाहिए। In the Indian constitutions, we have got fundamental rights. At the same time, some duty is also cast on the citizens, that how they shall behave, how they shall behave with the country. If we only think of our rights and we do not think of our responsibilities, I think this is not a real perspective. Rights and duties go together. I thought there were students of a big stomach. Here is a kids, and according to me, the food should be in consonance with our stomach. तो मेरी बात को मैं सिंपल तरीके के रखता हूँ। खास करके मैं यहाँ आया हूँ तो टीचर्स कम्युनिटी को बताऊंगा कि you are not only rendering services, you are in the pious business, you are in the pious duty of imparting education to a students. This is much more than a duty or responsibility. I request teaching staff that they will see to it that this is not only a job. You are creating a future India. If out of these kids, only one kid, come out with flying colors, do something for the nation, do something for the society, I think our purpose for the enjoyment or the commemoration of this Republican Day will be achieved, according to me. I am again reminded of a statement made by John F. Kennedy. He said, and I quote, that don't ask a question what a country can do for you. डोंट आस्क क्वेश्चन. हम हमेशा हमारे राइट के बारे में ही सोचते हैं. आज भी प्रॉब्लम है हमको, सबको प्रॉब्लम है देश में. बट ऑलवेज आस्क ए क्वेश्चन that what can I do